Two additional exercises that you can also add in for low back pain is our, if you're doing more of a seated version, our pelvic tilts. This one's gonna work on core. So these are gonna be a little bit more of a combo exercise. We're working on other joints. So with our pelvic tilt, what we're gonna do is imagine that your pelvis is a bowl. So you're gonna try to tilt it forward and tilt it back. So I don't want you to move your shoulders during this one. I want you to think just trying to move that pelvis. So you're going to arch that back. So you're just arching that low back, and then you're rounding that low back. See how my shoulders and like upper back aren't moving too much? All my movement is coming just from my hips. So I'm tilting that bowl back, tilting that bowl forward. You're gonna do about 15 of these. You can do these throughout the day. And if you're someone who is able to get on the floor and be able to do a little bit more mobility, this next one I love. This one can, it helps with moving your back through flexion and extension, but also we're getting a little bit of some glute stretching here. We're also getting a little bit of a nerve glide as well too, and then also some knee mobility. So this one, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay on your stomach. You're either gonna push up to a full cobra, or if that's too hard, you can push up into a mini cobra. So once you go into that cobra, hold for a couple seconds, and then I'm just gonna move up because of the camera. You're gonna rotate back into a child's pose. This is where we get a little bit of that knee flexion. Hold for a couple seconds, and then we're gonna rotate back into that cobra. So you can move back and forth in between those two exercises. So the downward dog, you can kind of, the child's pose, you can hold and get a little bit of a shoulder stretch there, and you can also get that knee stretch. So this one's more of a full body.